Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can easily crop, rotate, scale and flip images in WordPress. So let's start. The first thing you want to do, you just be in WordPress and we're right here. You want to go to Media and Library and just click on your image. On the right down, you will have Edit Image. Right when you're going to click on it, you can just easily crop it. Pretty simple. Or you can rotate it. And then you can flip it vertical or horizontal. And now when you got it, you can change the dimensions. What you need to understand about the dimensions, about scaling, that you can only scale down. You can't scale up. Use a Paint or Photoshop to do that. So you can also restore original image. And then you can just easily crop it also here. But if I'm going to use the crop here, as you can see, the selection is changing too. So this is how you can easily crop, rotate, scale and flip images in WordPress. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments, and yeah, and then just click, I don't know, save. Thank you, see ya and goodbye.